everyone, this is Sarthak Sarode. So in the second video of robotic process automation, I am going to explain you how the OTT platforms are automated using software robot developed in UiPath Studio. So in my previous video, I have explained in detail what is robotic process automation and what are the softwares used for doing that. So today we have taken a very simple application of RPA and we have used this UiPath software to develop the software robot. So what that robot is going to do is I will just tell the number assigned to these OTT platforms and automatically it will be opening those OTT platforms in my Chrome server. And in the upcoming videos, we will see how automatically it is putting our email as well as password, and it will open it will do the signing for us, and it will open the movie which we want to see. So that is a bit of complicated process. I have not included that in this video, but in this video I will just demonstrate how the robotic process automation is done for this OTT platforms. So now I will open my UiPath Studio. First, I will show you how I have built up this project, and then from scratch, I will explain you how to create it. So this is our robot. As you can see that we have this is switch case tool, which I have used here, and it has four cases. So case number one is Netflix, case number two is Hotstar, case number three is Amazon Prime, and case number four is ZEE5 Entertainment. So these are the numbers which I have allotted to these OTT platforms. Let's say that if I select the number 3, then it will be redirecting me to the Amazon Prime. So now this is my Chrome browser. You can see that any other apps are not open on this browser, and I have linked my UiPath Studio with this browser. So now let me save my entire robot and then I will debug it. Yes, so our program has executed and there are no errors. So this is the output. It is giving me option to choose among these OTT platforms. So let me just select the second one. Now it will redirect me to Hotstar. Yeah, so you have seen that it has redirected me to the Hotstar. So this is how a simple automation we have created, and I have chosen only these four OTT platforms as I had subscribed to these four, but you have any other OTT platforms as well, so you can automate those also. So now I will explain you how to create the project in the UiPath Studio from very scratch. So go on your start menu and then select the UiPath Studio. So this is the UiPath Studio community version which I have downloaded from their website, and the detailed video of downloading this software I will be uploading. Okay, so this is our software. As you can see, first let me show you the version which I am using. Go in the settings, click on the license and profile, then click on this change profile. So I am using UiPath Studio. Here is also another version, but this version is for business people, those who are working in the companies, and if they don't know coding from scratch, then this version is useful from them as it will be having some higher and advanced tools. But as a beginner, as a student, I would recommend you to use this UiPath Studio version. So I will click on that. Already I was using that only. Now I will click on the start button, and now we are going to make a new project. So these are my recent projects which I have done. So now I will click on the new process. So let us give the name to our project, that is OTT. Let me give it movie automation, because OTT automation project is there already. Movie space automation. So let's create this. It will take some time to create the workplace for us. Yeah, so this is how the software looks, and now what we are going to do, we will open our main workflow. Okay, so now in the UiPath Studio, there are three options to create the robot. First option is sequence, second option is flowchart, and third option is state machine. So we will click on the sequence, as the robot which we are going to do is a very simple robot and it can be created by using sequence. So let me give the name robot. So this is the name I have given to my sequence. Now what I'm going to do is, first thing is I want to create the message. So for that I will click on the input dialog. Now let me select this input dialog node. So what you have to do, simply take this node and drag and drop into this uh, robot block. So first thing is I want to give title to my entire input dialog window. So let me give the title, hey user, welcome to my browser, welcome to my browser, and then comma, which platform would you like to watch? Okay, then hit the enter. Make sure that you can also edit this dialog window from properties given here. So just click on the title and then click on this plus, click on in this three dots. Here you can see the title which we have given. So these are the properties. Now the input level, in this input level what I'm going to do, I will first do the double colons. Make sure that in every dialog box you have to write the text into double colons only. As you can see here also I wrote the text in between the double colon. That is the syntax which we are supposed to follow. So now I will click this all. So these are my options and I will paste them in between these double colons. So this is the input type is text box, and now what we are going to do, whatever the output will be given by us when the dialog window will open, that output will be stored in the variable. So in the result, that is nothing but the result. So result I want to store in the variable. So now I will create one variable. So simply press Ctrl K and let's say that variable is nothing but our choice. So this is my choice. Hit enter and now put the automatically variable will be coming here. But if you want to confirm the data type of the variable, click on this variable section and now you can see that variable type is the string. But I don't want the variable type as string because I am going to enter the integers there. So just change it from string to integer 32. So that's it, hit enter and then you can just drag down this box. So I will just simulate whatever I have done so far to just get the clear idea about it. Save that and then click on this debug window. Yeah, so everything is working perfect. We are getting this toolbox, and now what we are going to do, click on the stop. Yes, perfect. So now I will take now switch case because we are having the four cases. So there is one block called switch cases. So this is the, yeah, sorry, that block is just switch. Drag and drop it. Now one thing I will teach you here, that is when you are selecting anything, make sure that you drop it under this plus button, like this. I have dragged this and I am dropping it under this plus button so that automatically this link would be generated. And another way is just simply drop it and then manually connect this link. So now here in the expression I have to put the variable on which I am going to operate my cases. So the variable in which we stored our result is choice. So this variable I put, and now my default case. So let's say that if some user puts the value more than 4, then what will happen? So in that default case, that would be the default case and output would be invalid number. So let me take the message box. I will drag it simply here. Yeah, perfect. And in the double colon, I will write invalid number. Perfect. So now I'm going to add four cases. Case number one, again add new case, case number two, again add case number three, and then I have case number four. So now in each case, my first case is Netflix. So now you have to take the most important block of our project, that is open browser. Just type open browser and you will get this use application slash browser. Drag this and drop it here in the activity section. So now what we are supposed to do, we are going to capture the URL of the Netflix and we are going to store that URL in this section. So when I click on the number 1, automatically this URL would be hit. Okay, so I will open my Chrome. First let me close this. Now this is my Netflix. Already I have put my credentials. So in this video we are not going to automate our credentials, but that
तुम
is
एक बुरे
also, that
इंसान
can
हो
be also done, and that is the most interesting thing. So this
और
thing I
तुमने
want to
बहुत सारे
open
गलत
when I
काम
click
किए हैं।
upon the number 1. So what I will do, I will click on this indicate application to automate, and then simply green screen would come. Click on this,
कम से कम तुम ऐसा सोचते तो हो।
and now you can see that automatically it has captured the Netflix URL. So one thing I would like to tell you, so
जैसा कभी कभी मैं अपने
one
बारे में
while doing
सोचती
this
हूँ।
process, if you are using UiPath Studio
जंग
for the very
सबको
first
बदल
time,
देती है।
then green screen
वहां से लौटकर
would
जीना
not
आसान
come.
नहीं
Instead of
होता।
that, orange screen would be coming, and it will give you the error that your browser is not connected with UiPath Studio. So just click on continue option. It will download the extension and it will automatically connect your browser with the UiPath.
तो
So next
इसकी
thing
सजा
what you
उसे
have
मत
to
दो।
do is click on, open your browser, click on this extensions, click on this
शुक्रिया।
manage extensions, and make sure that UiPath web automation, you have enabled the extension. So these are the things which you are supposed to do. So similarly, in case number 2, what I have assigned in case number 2, that is Hotstar. Okay, so now I will do the same thing. I will drag and drop the use application browser here. Okay, by mistakenly it went there. Let me drop it carefully. Again it is giving me the same problem. Yeah, perfect. So let me just do it for other cases as well. Yeah, done for case number 3, and then done for case number 4. So now simply we have to copy paste the URLs. So second is Hotstar. So I will open my Hotstar and now indicate application to automate. So just click on this. Yes, so my Hotstar is captured. Now I will click on this case number 3, indicate application to automate. No, first I'm supposed to open the Amazon Prime. So I will close this and then I will open my Amazon Prime. So then fourth is Z5 Entertainment. Perfect. So now we have prepared our robot, and first let me close all other tabs so that we can simply run our project for all the 4 cases. So I will save this first, and now just click on this debug file. Now it will open the toolbox for us, which will provide us 4 of the options. Yeah, so now let me choose the 4th option first. Yeah, you can see that automatically it has navigated me to the Chrome option. So as you might have seen that uh, when I click on this, it is closing the Chrome. But if I want to stay on the Chrome only, then what I am supposed to do, just click on this, and in these options close, just click never, so that it will never close this. Similarly, do this for all the click boxes which you have taken. In case number 2 also I will do the same thing, never, and in case number 1 also I will do the same thing, never. So again let me close my, yeah, all tabs are closed, and let me again save and run my robot. It's perfect. So now I will put the second option. Let me verify it. Yeah, it has successfully navigated me to the Hotstar. So this is about a small robotic application process which we have done using UiPath Studio Community version. Hope you might have liked it. See you soon in the next video. Thank you so much.